guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new episode on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today we will be talking about a crystal, and not just any crystal, but a crystal that I feel deserves more attention. It deserves to be more talked about because it's like it can do so much for you, but it's a little bit more of I would say an advanced crystal, or crystal, you know, that people that would be into crystal healing would generally be familiar with. But you know what? Even if you're a beginner, definitely you deserve to and should really hear about this one because it's wonderful. And we will be talking about the beautiful Lodolite. So I will do something very simple. I'll tell you what are the zodiac stones associated with Lodolite, the chakras, the emotional healing side of it, the properties, the meaning, the uses. You will know everything at the end of this video, and you know, you might end up really being into it, because personally, first time I saw Lodolite, I was like amazed by it. Like for me, it's like one of those the more you get to learn and know about it, the more you get to appreciate it. So just to be clear, some of you guys probably know it as under a different name, because actually Lodolite happens to have different names. So some people refer to it as Garden Quartz, some as Aquarium Quartz, or the last one, which is the technical term that I use, which is Lodolite, which is the one that's easier to make sure that you know exactly what we're talking about. So all those names work, all those names are fine, they absolutely are related, you know, to the same stone, just to be clear. So what is Lodolite, you might be wondering? Why is it called Aquarium Quartz? Why is it called Garden Quartz? Well, for a very simple reason. You're gonna see here, if we look at it closely, what is Lodolite? It's a form of clear quartz, but not just any clear quartz. You can see this all going on inside. So it's basically a clear quartz with mixed colored inclusions inside. And what are those? These are natural chlorite inclusions that create that illusion of a garden or an aquarium within the stone. So it's not just a clear quartz, it's a very cool looking clear quartz that we have here. And you know, because there's a lot of magic happening inside. And you know, what zodiac stone is Lodolite for? So it's associated with most of the zodiac signs, but I'm going to tell you that I personally noticed that it works the best if you're Aquarius, Scorpio, or Sagittarius. For you, it's going to work even better, but anyone else can also go for it. It's open to everybody, so there's no problem there. As regards to the emotional healing side of things, what is Lodolite doing? What is it good for? Well, it's one of those that if you're someone that, for example, has past trauma difficulties and you're still dealing with it, Lodolite is a great crystal for you, because what Lodolite does is that it facilitates the emotional healing by releasing old fears. And by doing that, of course, it's important to mention that those old fears will be due to early memories in your life, for example, and or past life trauma, both. And obviously what Lodolite is going to do is that it's gonna release that and replace that energy by loving, peaceful, positive energy. So it's a very strong stone, but at the same time it's very gentle as well, which is great. And what I would say is that it's a great grounding stone, used extensively in healing and meditation work. And it's for me, it's one of the most important fundamental grounding stones you could find in the crystal world, let's be honest. And it is really known for that ability that it has to establish a clear path to removing the negativity from your energy, from your aura, from your body, by passing it down to the earth in a very gentle, natural, loving way. And that's how actually it helps us really to connect with that beautiful Mother Earth energy. And yeah, it's great that way. And I feel personally that because of that, it's also great for long-term adaptation and change. It's a great stone as well if, for example, you have other types of quartz with inclusions and you want to try to amplify the properties. So that means that Lodolite would work very well with the tourmalated quartz, rutilated quartz. All of those will be beautifully and gently amplified thanks to the beautiful power of Lodolite. And you know, it's one of those, as we said earlier, it really helps us to connect with past lives and heal those past traumas and enhance our psychic abilities. And that is the reason why Lodolite is nicknamed the shaman stone, which is very interesting. Apart from that, it's also great for courage, you know, inner strength, gentle strength, and self-development in general, you know. I'll show you a ring because I have my ring here in Lodolite, so you can see. I'll just take it off to show you guys. So it's kind of, you can see it's like a clear quartz, so you know it has that transparency that clear quartz has, but then you have those inclusions inside there that really makes the stones magical. And yeah, it's a great stone to wear, for example, like me, or to carry if that's what you prefer. It's great when it comes to breaking new grounds and outgrowing yourself. It really ticks in all those boxes. It's wonderful that way. If you're wondering about the chakras, what chakra does it work with? It's going to be the crown, obviously, similar to clear quartz and all the other types of quartz. It's really going to be that crown chakra energy that we're talking about, which absolutely makes sense considering we are talking here about the shaman stone. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about Lodolite, Aquarium Quartz, or Garden Quartz, whichever way you like to call it. Let me know, do you have some? What do you think about it? Do you feel, you know, do you feel some form of connection? Does it resonate with you, everything that we've just talked about? Please let me know. Also, guys, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel. That would mean the world. I have so many more videos lined up for you guys as I post every single day, and we have that new ebook coming very soon. Make sure you go on to jewelsandgems.shop and subscribe to the Jewels and Gems VIP club. That's our newsletter, and you'll be the first one to know when it's released and receive it for free. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely day.